What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And I know it's been a while since I've recorded anything or really posted anything. I've done a post on the YouTube shorts or anything like that, but haven't really posted too much, and just kind of lost a little bit of motivation for it. But that's why I'm trying to record this video, so I can regain the motivation, start posting some more, and just bring out a lot of content for you. I've been posting pretty consistently on the Instagram and the TikTok, so if you haven't checked it out, it's the same handle as YouTube, so it's Gottigix. But in today's video, I want to show you a little bit more of the Gixxer 1000 that I got and I've been riding the hell out of, because I posted a little bit on the last video, which was the racing video that you saw in Mexico. That's the video y'all saw but this bike originally, but really haven't seen much more about it. So let me go ahead and flip over the camera so I can show you what an awesome bike this is. And boom, look how pretty she is sitting right now. This is my 2017 Gixxer 1000, and I have made it pretty much my roll race bike. Kind of the same or similar build, definitely not the same, but similar build to my K46 S1000. If you haven't seen that, I'll pop a picture up or a video or something right over here in the corner so y'all can see what that looks like. That I still currently have. I've been debating selling it on and off for a while now. It's just sitting in the garage collecting some dust, but I still do have that bike. I've just been riding the Gixxer a whole lot more. And yeah, this is pretty much how she's sitting right now, and I love this bike so much. It's freaking awesome. The K46 and the Gixxer 1000 were both my dream bikes, and we managed to get both. And I just so appreciative for everything. But yeah, so this I just wanted to take this little video so I can show you guys what the bike looks like. The purple is coming through crazy on here. We have new fairings on order, that way, because there's a couple scratches and stuff like that. So we have new new side panels coming on order. I went with just a replacement of the same fairing because I was gonna do carbon, but I just like the color too much. The color is so clean. And then with the purple wheels, the rear wheel is purple too. You can't really see it. You can see a little bit there, but you can't really see it because of the aero disc that we made. But you can see there, the whole wheel is purple, which I think is awesome. We made a carbon fiber aero disc. We made that in the garage with a template, and that was freaking awesome. It came out a lot better than the first one I made. If you guys are real OGs, you remember the original one I made for the Beamer, that K46. I made one, and that was cool. I ran it for a while, but this one just came out so much better. So the second time was just way better. So then we got the full Brox exhaust with the stupid fast logo on it. You can see the titanium coming down, starting to blue down there. I think you can see it a little bit better from this side. We go down. Oh yeah, she's dirty, but you can still see the blue. Got the carbon headlight and everything, which actually I'll just talk about that a little bit. I was really surprised how bright that was at night, because I've always heard people saying, oh, it's not bright enough, yada yada yada, but I can see perfectly fine with the yellow, and I always leave it on the yellow light because I think that looks the best. It does have a high beam where it's just white, but the yellow just looks so clean. If I have a video, I'll pop it up, but I don't know if I do. But yeah, it's a super simple roll race build. Very simple. We got the Gen 2 booster fender, color matched in the white. She's sitting real pretty. Let me see if I do a little bit of a cinematic for you guys. That's going to be the end of today's video, because I just want to do a quick little video just to kind of put the bike back out there on the YouTube channel, because I do plan on taking more videos. We do have to go racing here in Mexico soon, hopefully, because I've been doing a little bit of testing here and there on my own, and I just want to show the bike out. I want to start getting some races. Win or lose, I don't care. I just want to make the bike as fast as possible and have as much fun, as safe as possible. That's really my goal with this bike, is just to have a lot of fun, you know, make a lot of content with it, just have a lot of fun. I've had the bike for a while now, I just literally haven't made any content on it. I've just been building it by myself. And I've been kind of selfish not to share it with you guys, and I apologize. There's some stuff I can't say, I don't want to go too in-depth with it, because, like, you know, might race for a little bit of money. But for the most part, I do want to bring you guys along that way you can kind of see the build come together. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I plan on doing a bunch more videos. Anytime we go out racing, I'm just gonna start bringing the camera along, which right now I'm recording my phone because I left the mics and I left the DJI at home, and yeah, shame on me. So, and I plan on coming out to make a video. So but yeah, so I guess that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like, subscribe, throw a comment down below, share the video on something, send it to your grandma, send it to your mama, whatever y'all want to do. Just interact in some way, shape, or form, and I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Until next time, bye.